As we've mentioned, health experts do expect more positive cases locally in the days ahead.
And as more people come in to get tested, they are getting ready for an influx of patients. News 8 Now's Mal Meyer explains what healthcare providers are doing to prepare.
Health officials are communicating with the people who may have been in contact with these patients. While people may be more concerned now that 2 confirmed cases are in the county, health experts are still urging people not to come to the testing sites.
Don't just show up at the door if you suspect that you have signs or symptoms of this infection.
If you think that you have the symptoms of a fever, cough, and shortness of breath, call your provider first. They will screen who is eligible and meets the criteria to be tested.
Both institutions, and we just reviewed it, have a protocol for being tested, who should be tested, who's at the highest risk, and why we should be testing them.
Both providers do have testing supplies, but they need to be prioritized.
I will share with you there's a national shortage of supplies for testing.
We don't know what the supply chain looks like long term.
These confirmed positive cases were relatively mild, with low-grade fever, cough, body aches, and sore throat.
And these individuals are not hospitalized, they are at home, and they are not very severely ill.
But if precautions are not taken, we could have more cases with advanced conditions like acute respiratory distress and pneumonia.
Our systems are ready, but they can be pushed. And we need to maintain social isolation, keeping people at home, keeping away from each other, because there are capacity issues.
That is why it is so critical to follow social distancing to prevent the spread to those who are most vulnerable. In La Crosse, Mal Meyer, News 8 Now.
Patients are asked not to call their provider if they have concerns about an appointment.
And that's because they are vetting who does and does not need to be seen right away. Your healthcare provider will contact you directly about any appointment or surgery.